Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn on how to change the default save location in Microsoft Word. Modifying this setting forces Word to target your local hard drive directories automatically, completely stopping the software from forcing you to save your projects into OneDrive cloud storage folders every single time. First, open Microsoft Word. Look at the top left corner of the interface menu and click on File. Move to the absolute bottom of the left-hand navigation sidebar panel and select Options. A detailed configuration window will pop up on your screen. Click on the Save tab located near the top of the sidebar list. Locate the section header explicitly labeled Save Documents near the top center of the Properties panel. Check the box next to the setting that reads Save to Computer by Default to activate your local storage tracking engine. Next, move down to the setting labeled Default Local File Location and click the Browse button on the right side. A file directory browser window will open. Navigate to your preferred target directory, such as your standard documents folder or a dedicated project drive, and click OK. Drop down to the bottom of the main options window and click the OK button one final time to lock your new path rules into the system core. And that's it. Your local folder file redirection configuration is now completely optimized and active. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.